Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, June the 1st, 2022. Yeah, the first day in June, and I've already solved one puzzle. The binary. We have two regular puzzles left, the Sudoku Medium and the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. By the way, in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles, 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this Sudoku Medium. Sudoku Medium number 4634. Alright, 4634. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Yeah, 26 printed digits. News of today, well, the war is still going on. War day number 98. Yeah, almost 100 days in war in Ukraine. Alright, let me continue with this medium Sudoku. For a 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. For a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 5 in the first column, the 5 in the third column? So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the third column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We see an 8 in the first row, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9 in this first column, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second column, so no 8 in that box, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. For the numbers, so 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We see here 3 in this column. So no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Wait. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the first column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. That means one box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this second column. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. So we have a pair now. The 2 and the 4 in this row. The 2 and the 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. 2 and the 4, that means 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So last column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8 in the first row, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this last column. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 4. We see here 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the second row, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there in the last column. Well, we see here another 4 in the last row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the last row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be here. We have a pair. 4 and a 5 in the first row, 4 and a 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Okay. Let me continue. Two missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 here in the second row, so no 2 there. The 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3 in the middle column. So no 3 in this box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. How about the 4? I believe I have also all the 4s, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright. And how about number 5? And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. So 1 number is left. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 6 and a 9. I've marked this 6 and the 9 are missing. And look, we have a 6 there. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 7. Then 1 box left in this last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 here. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 15 to 20 minutes I need for 2 stars. I think this is a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third and last regular puzzle of today, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye bye for now.